So Mila. When is it? Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Patthama Upajjanga Pitabo. Samnera need to take the Upajjaya first. That is why you should take Upajjaya from Saroji.
Upajjayo me bhante hohi. Upajjayo me bhante hohi.
Vasadivina Samadehi.
Amma bhante.
Vasadivina Samadehi.
Amma bhante.
Vasadivina Samadehi.
Amma bhante.
To be able to recite Kama Vacha conveniently, please be noticed the candidate name is Pinyasiha. His Upajjaya name is Padanda Ajena. When we recite Pinyasiha name in Kama Vacha, please be noted this is the candidate's name. If we recite name and Padanda Ajenas and Kama Vacha, this is his Upajjaya's name. Upajjam Gahapetoa Pata Jiwara Acheki Taban. Please listen to me, applicant. An applicant must have a set of 3 robes and once answerable in his own position. I am therefore going to indicate your robe and board. Ayanti Pato, this is your board.
Amma bhante.
Ayan Sangati, this is your double rope. Amma Bhante.
Amma bhante.
Ayan Uttara Sangha, this is your upper rope.
Amma bhante.
Ayan Andra Vasako, this is your lower rope.
Amma bhante.
Now you are possessed of complete set of 3 ropes and 1 bowl. Please stand up, Samnera. Mindfully walk backwards with your hands together in the manner being respect to the sanda. Then you should stop at a place about 4 feet from the assembly and stand there. Sunno tukme bandi sangho penyasiho ayasamato ajainasa upasampada pikho yadi samgasa padagalam aham penyasiham anusaseyam. Sunno tukme bandi sangho penyasiho ayasamato ajainasa upasampada pikho anusaito so maya yadi samgasa padagalam penyasiho agicheya. This is the time for you, Samneras, to request the Sanghas to ordain you a bhikkhu. Aham Bande
Aham Bande
Upa Sambadam
Upa Sambadam
Yajami
Yajami
Olombadu
Olopatu
Mambande
Mambande
Sangho
Sanggo
Anugambam
Anukambam
Ubadaya
Ubadaya
Dutiyampi
Dutiyampi
Bande Sangam
Bande Sangam
Upa Sambadam
Upa Sambadam
Yajami
Yajami
Olombadu
Olompatu
Mambande
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 Sangho
Sanggo
Anugambam
Anukambam
Ubadaya
Ubadaya
Tatiyampi
Tatiyampi
Bande Sangam
Bande Sangam
Upa Sambadam
Upa Sambadam
Yajami
Yajami
Olombadu
Olompatu
Mambande
Mambande
Sangho
Sanggo
Anugambam
Anukambam
Ubadaya
Ubadaya
Venerable Sirs,
Venerable Sir,
I would like to request
I would like to request
the Sangha
the Sangha
for higher ordination.
for higher ordination.
I request
I request
the Sangha
the Sangha
to raise me up.
to raise me up.
Now to me Bande Sangho Pinyasi-ho Ayasamato Ajinasa Ubasambada Bhikkho Yadi Samgasa Padagalam Aham Pinyasiham Andarayike Dhamme Ukcheyam Sunasi Samnira Ayante Sajagalo Udagalo. Please listen to me. Samnira, this is the time for you to answer the truth and the facts. Yanjadan Dambu Chami Sanda Ati Diwadava Asanda Nati Diwadava. Do not be at a loss, do not be embarrassed. On behalf of the Sangha, I am now going to ask you the questions which examine your disqualifications for the bhikkhuhood. You are just to answer yes, Venerable Sirs, or no, Venerable Sirs, Amabande or Nati Bande. Okay? Gautam, do you have leprosy?
Nati Bande. No.
Dando, do you have wands?
Nati Bande.
Kilaso, do you have eczema?
Nati Bande.
So, do you have tuberculosis?
Nati Bande.
Apamaro, do you have epilepsy?
Nati Bande.
Manososi, are you a human being?
Ama Bande.
Purisosi, are you a man?
Ama Bande.
Bujaisosi, are you a free man?
Ama Bande.
Ananosi, are you free from debt?
Ama Bande.
Nasi Raja Bado, are you free from government service?
Ama Bande.
Anonya Tosi Mata Pituhi, have your parents permitted you to be ordained a bhikkhu?
Ama Bande.
Pripona Visati Vasosi, are you fully 20 years old?
Ama Bande.
Pribonandi Pada Jivaran, have you got a complete set of 3 robes and once as bowl?
Ama Bande.
Kaina Mosi, what is your name?
Aham Bande.
My name is Penyasiha.
My name is Panyasiha.
Kona Moti Upechayo, what is your preceptor's name?
Upachayo me Bande. Padanta Ajina.
My preceptor's name is?
My preceptor name is Padanta Ajina.
Be right. စီဟနမောတစ္ဆာဘဂဝတောအရဟတောသမ္မာသမ္ဗုဒ္ဓัสสะသုနောတုမေဗန္တိသံဃောအယံပညာစီဟောအာယသမတောအာချိနစ္စဥပသမ္ပဒာပေခောပါရိသုဒ္ဓောအန္တရာယိကေဟိဓမ္မေဟိပါရိပုဏ္ဏစပတ္တဇီဝရံပညာစီဟောသံဃံဥပသမ္ပဒံယာချတိအာယသမတာအာချိနေနဥပ္ပဇာယေနယတိသံဃစပတ္တကံံသံဃောပညာစီဟံဥပသမ္ပတိယအာယသမတာအာချိနေနဥပ္ပဇာယေနဧသာညတိသုနောတုမေဗန္တိသံဃောအယံပညာစီဟောအာယသမတောအာချိနစ္စဥပသမ္ပဒာပေခောပါရိသုဒ္ဓောအန္တရာယိကေဟိဓမ္မေဟိပါရိပုဏ္ဏစပတ္တဇီဝရံပညာစီဟောသံဃံဥပသမ္ပဒံယာချတိအာယသမတာအာချိနေနဥပ္ပဇာယေနသံဃောပညာစီဟံဥပသမ္ပတိတိအာယသမတာအာချိနေနဥပ္ပဇာယေနယသာယသမတောခမတိပညာစီဟသဥပသမ္ပတာအာယသမတာအာချိနေနဥပ္ပဇာယေနသောတုံဟသယသနခမတိသောဘာစေယဥပသမ္ပန္နောသံဃေနပညာစီဟောအာယသမတာအာချိနေနဥပ္ပဇာယေနခမတိသံဃစတသမတုံနိဧဝမေတံဒါရယာမိ Witness it. Seal number 2 is ready. Seal number design.
နမောတစ္ဆာဘဂဝတောအရဟတောသမ္မာသမ္ဗုဒ္ဓัสสะသုနောတုမေဗန္တိသံဃောအယံပညာတိဟောအာယသမတောအာစိဏတဥပသမ္ပဒာပိခောပါရိသုဒ္ဓောအန္တရာယိကေဟိဓမ္မေဟိပါရိပုဏ္ဏတပတ္တစီဝရံပညာတိဟောသံဃံဥပသမ္ပဒံယာသတိအာယသမတာအာစိနေနဥပိသာယေနယတိလံခတပဒကံလံသံဃောပညာတိဟံဥပသမ္ပတိယအာယသမတာအာစိနေနဥပိသာယေနဧတာညတိသုနာတုမေဗန္တိသံဃောအယံပညာတိဟောအာယသမတောအာစိဏတဥပသမ္ပဒာပိခောပါရိသုဒ္ဓောအန္တရာယိကေဟိဓမ္မေဟိပါရိပုဏ္ဏတပတ္တစီဝရံပညာတိဟောသံဃံဥပသမ္ပဒံယာသတိအာယသမတာအာစိနေန ဥပိ္ပဇာယေနပန္နမုခောဝိညာတိဟံဥပါဒံပါရေတိအာယတမဒာအာစိမေနဥပိ္ပဇာယေနယတာယတမတောခမတိဝိညာတိဟတာဥပါဒံပါဒာအာယတမဒာအာစိမေနဥပိ္ပဇာယေနသောဒုနတယတာနခမတိဘောဘာတေယဥပါဒံပန္နောပရံခေနဉာဏ်ညာဘောအာယတမဒာအာစိနေနဥပိ္ပဇာယေနခမတိဝရံခေတသတ္တမတုံနိဧဝမေတံဓာရယာမိ
ပညာစီရဟုတ်တယ်
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa
Sunatu me bhante sangho ayam panyasiko ayasnato ajinnassa upasampada pekho parisuddho antarai ehi dhammehi paripunnassa patta jivaram panyasiko sangham upasampadam yachati ayasmata acinnena upajjayena sangho panyasiyam upasambhadeti ayasmata acinnena upajjayena yassa yasmato khamati panyasiyassa upasampada ayasmata acinnena upajjayena sotumhassa yassa nakhamati sobhasriya upasampanno sanghena panyasiko ayasmata acinnena upajjayena khamati sanghassa tasmadunhi evametang dharayami
Now you are a bhikkhu. Then a bhikkhu must know your ordination date and times. When you are living in the community or sangha, you should know your vasa, your ordination date and times. Then according to seniority, we should behave in the community or sangha. And if you are junior, then you should respect the senior. If you are senior, you can also receive the respect from the junior. Then and we receive the requests also. Then we should receive according to seniority at that time. And you need to know your ordination dates and times to receive the requests according to seniority, etc. Is it? That is why you should remember your ordination day and times. Then Guru Vignajara will read your ordination day and times. Means that he will give this paper to you. You keep with you.
ယံတော်သင်္ညာတရားယံတရားထုတ်ပါဗျာ။သာနာတော်နဲ့2566ခုနှစ်ဘောဓသက္ကရာ1384ခုနှစ်သောင်းလူရာတော်သာသန်12ရက်ဆွေးနေ့2023ခုနှစ်ဇန်နဝါရီလ2ရက်နေ့လယ်2နာရီ25မိနစ်အချိန်တွင်တဝုဓမ္မရေးသာတို့ရဲ့ရှိဓမ္မနုဓမ္မစီပန္နအိမ်တော်၌ဆရာတော်
ဗရဏဆရာတော်ဟောက်ဆရာတော်ဘုရားကြီးကိုဥပဒေပြီးရကတန်ဃာတော်90ပါးတို့ကဆင်းမြောက်ထောက်ပံ့တော်ကြောင့်ရှင်ပညာတရားအမိရှိသောရှင်သာမဏေဒီနိမြတ်သောယဟန်ဖြစ်သူရောက်ရှိတော်မူပါသည်ဗျာအနုတတကဆရာတော်ဗရဏကုမာရဘိယွန်သာပါဗျာကမောဒပရမကမောဝတာဆရာတော်များဗရဏဆရာတော်ညာနာတဇဗရဏညာနာတဇဗရဏတန်ဒီမှာဗရဏကုမာရဘိယွန်သာပါဗျာဒုတိယကမောတာဆရာတော်များမှာဗရဏဒေဇောဘာသာဗရဏတဏိတာဘိယွန်သာဗရဏဣနာသရာတို့ပါဗျာတတိယကမောတာဆရာတော်များမှာဗရဏဝိမလာဂိတိသတိလင်္ကာဗရဏသုဂတသတိလင်္ကာဗရဏချန္ဒသုမနာသတိလင်္ကာတို့ပါဗျာVenerable sir, this certificate that Venerable Bhikkhu Phinyasika was ordination on January 2023, second day as 2 p.m. 25 minutes p.m. In the Dhamma Dhamma Pradipana Sila of Paudoya, the Dhamma Yesa is standard unit. Under the preceptorship of the Venerable Vedanta Ajayanath, number of bhikkhus present at the ordination ceremony, 70 bhikkhus. Ramonation teacher, Venerable Kumara Bhyosa, official as recited by Guru 1, Venerable Jnana Daza, Venerable Chandima, and Venerable Kumara Bhyosa, Guru 2, Venerable Dijobasa, Venerable Janita Bhyosa, and Venerable Indajara, Guru 3, Venerable Umalakedi, Sri Lanka, Venerable Sugata Sri Lanka, Venerable Chanda Sumana Sri Lanka.
Today you became a bhikkhu 2:25 minutes. Is it? 2:25 p.m. So if you become when you become bhikkhu, then you should live depending on 4 requests. You should live in the Buddha's dispensation depending on the 4 requests. 4 nixia. What are they? Something like Jausi. Is it? Pinda Pada. Pindi Aloba Bojana Nixia Pabeja. A bhikkhu life depends on ants food. Then you should go to the village or cities to collect the ants food. Then after collecting the ants food, you should consume it and practice meditation diligently. Then do the bhikkhu's duty. Bhikkhu's duty is pariyati, learning the Buddha's teaching. Patipati, practicing the Buddha's teaching. Is it? This is the bhikkhu's duty. Bhikkhu's duty. Then, if you have punya, then some devotees will offer some ants food in the monastery or at their house. Then, if you wish to receive their offering ants food, then you can also receive them if they are allowable. This is the Pinda Pada, no? Pinda Pada ants food. Another one is Jiwara. Pansukula Jiwara Nesaya Pabeja. A bhikkhu life depends on Pansukula Jiwara. Pansukula Jiwara means then you should collect many pieces of clothes and sew as make as rope and dye. Then you wear this Pansukula Jiwara and practice meditation diligently. Then if you have punya, if you want, then some devotee may offer the allowable rope. Then if they offer the rope, then you can also use. You can also wear the Garbhati Jiwara. Garbhati Jiwara means the Jiwara offered by devotee. then you can also wear such kinds of jivara if they are allowable. Then bhikkhu live in the Buddha's dispensation depending on the robe jivara. Then another one is, kuti bhikkhu Rokha Mula Sena Sana Nisaya Pavichar. Bhikkhu life depends on kuti lodgings. Is it? Then you can stay under the shade of the tree and practice meditation diligently. Then you can be under the tree or under the bamboo as kuti, and you can practice meditation there. Is it? But if you have punya, then Sandiputi will offer the kutis to you. Then if they are allowable, you can also stay in those kuti, like here in our monastery. Then you can stay in those kuti. Then by using those kuti, you should also practice bhikkhu's dhamma, samanas dhamma diligently. And just stay in kuti without practicing, without learning should not be like this. They need to practice meditation diligently by staying at kuti. That is why. Then kuti is also one requisite for bhikkhu. Then another one is medicines. Puti Mukta Bhitecha Nisaya Pavichar. Bhikkhu life depends on feminine urine is medicines. Counts urine is medicines. Is it? Then if you are sick, then you can use counts urines, feminine urines as medicines. Then we have the counts urines in our monastery. Then you can use them as medicine. Then can recover from the illness. If you have many, the Western medicines or herbal medicines offered by devotees, then you can also use them if they are allowable. Like butter, ghee, and many different kinds of medicines. They are also allowable. Then you can practice meditation diligently by using medicines as requisites. So altogether, 4 requisites, 4 dependencies. Is it? Yes. You remember?
Yes.
Okay, you remember. Then another one is when you become bhikkhus, you need to observe many bhikkhu vinaya rules, at least 227 vinaya rules. Then as you study, then you understood. But especially if there's a new bhikkhu in the simas, before going out for the sima, then we need to remind the new bhikkhus not to break all vinaya, especially the most important 4 most important vinaya rules. Then they are called parajika. Is it? If a bhikkhu commits one of these 4 parajika, then he is no longer a bhikkhu. He cannot be reordained a bhikkhu in this present existence. That is why we need to remind the new bhikkhu not to break any of these 4 parajika rules. There's no ways to treat or to recover. If you commit the other vinaya rule, then there's a ways to be a bhikkhu. That is why you should understand the most important 4 most important vinaya rules. The first one is Upasampanena bhikkhuna mithuna dhammo na patisevitavo. An ordained bhikkhu shall not engage in any types of sexual activities, sexual conduct. Is it? Then bhikkhu cannot do any sexual intercourse with male or female beings, even in animals.
Yes.
If he does, then he is no longer a bhikkhu. He must be destroyed.
Yes.
He cannot be reordained as a bhikkhu in this present existence. He is also not the son of the Buddha. That is why, as long as you are a bhikkhu, you must avoid doing sexual intercourse with male or female beings, even in animals. Is it? Then remember, then avoiding the sexual intercourse. Number 1. Number 2. Upasampanina bhikkhuna adhina thyasankata na adadava. Bhikkhu shall not steal others' property what is not given. Is it? If he steal, even maybe split or bamboo or small grasses, etc. If a bhikkhu steal others' property, like the pada or value of pada, the things value of pada, then he is no longer a bhikkhu. He is no longer a bhikkhu. He is not the son of the Buddha. He must be disrobed. He cannot be reordained a bhikkhu in this present existence. That is why, as long as you are a bhikkhu, you must avoid taking others' property what is not given. Understand? Adhina dana. Adhina dana. Another one is Upasampanina bhikkhuna senseja pano jivitana varopita bo. Bhikkhu should not kill living being, even the small insect like white ant or black ant, fly, mosquito, etc. If a bhikkhu kill the animals, if a bhikkhu intentionally kill the animals, there will be pajitya offense. But here especially if a bhikkhu kill human being, intentionally kill the human being, even if he gives any types of medicines for abortion, then because of bhikkhus actions, for example, baby died in mother's womb, then there will be also, this is also considered killing human being. That is why he is no longer a bhikkhu. If he kill a human being with any ways, then he is no longer a bhikkhu. He is not the son of the Buddha. He must be disrobed. He cannot be reordained a bhikkhu in this present existence. That is why, as long as you are a bhikkhu, you must avoid killing living being. Killing living being. Okay? Number 3. Then number 4. Number four is Upasampanina bhikkhuna Uddri Manusatamo, not only Pitavo. Bhikkhu shall not falsely claim to attain the superhuman attainment, such as jhana, mega, phala, nibbana. Understand? This is also very important. Without attainment of jhana, mega, phala, nibbana, then you tell other people, I have such kinds of jhana, mega, phala, nibbana attainment, with the intentions, with the boastful intentions like this, then he is no longer bhikkhu. Then bhikkhu, if bhikkhu tell in this way, then he is no longer bhikkhu. He is not the son of the Buddha. He must be disrobed. He cannot be reordained a bhikkhu in this present existence. That is why if he lie something, intentionally lie something, then there will be pajitya vati. But if he lie regarding superhuman ultimate dharma, such as jhana, mega, phala, nibbana, then will fall into prajita. Then must be careful. Okay? Then as long as you are a bhikkhu, please avoid lying altogether. 4 parajika. If a bhikkhu commit one of these 4, then he is no longer a bhikkhu. He must be disrobed. That is why you must be careful not to commit any of these 4 parajika rules. Then also the other Vinaya rules. Then you should try to study the other Vinaya rule. Is it? Amabandi. Already finished the Kababindu. Finished. Then need to do determination at daytime. Take your book, touch your book. Only touch enough. Then repeat after me. then you should determine as your own bowl. Imam Badan,
ဣမံဘတ်တံ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
Imam Badan,
ဣမံဘတ်တံ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
Imam Badan,
ဣမံဘတ်တံ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
your already. Imam Sangade,
ဣမံစံဃတိ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
Imam Sangade,
ဣမံစံဃတိ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
Imam Sangade,
ဣမံစံဃတိ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
your upper rope. Okay, only just touch your upper rope. Imam Udra Sangha,
ဣမံဥတရစံဃံ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
Imam Udra Sangha,
ဣမံဥတရစံဃံ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
Imam Udra Sangha,
ဣမံဥတရစံဃံ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
pay attention your lower rope. Imam Andra Wasaka,
ဣမံအတရဝါစကံ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
Imam Andra Wasaka,
ဣမံအတရဝါစကံ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
Imam Andra Wasaka,
ဣမံအတရဝါစကံ
Dethami.
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
Then you pay attention your bow back and sitting close. Then only just repeat after me. Imani,
ဣမာနိ
Breakara Jolani,
ပရိကရကျောလာနိ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
Imani,
ဣမာနိ
Breakara Jolani,
ပရိကရကျောလာနိ
Dethami,
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
Imani,
ဣမာနိ
Breakara Jolani,
ပရိကရကျောလာနိ
Dethami.
အဒိဋ္ဌာမိ
You have determined the three set of rope and bow, especially this three set of rope, a set of three ropes, double rope, upper rope, and lower ropes. You determined. Okay. Then you shall keep this three set of rope together with you within Hatha-pasa. Within Hatha-pasa at dawn times, Aruna times. Unless if you are in the kuti, then you should keep together with you near your bed. The kuti. If you can't do Siva or the other place, before dawn time you should carry this three rope. Other times, no problem, you can also wear the other extra rope. Although you stay away from this three rope, no problem. But especially at dawn times, you should stay together with you. And now you shall request. Okay, repeat after. Venerable Sayadaws,
Venerable Sayadaw,
Venerable Sanghas,
Venerable Sangha,
I would like to request
I would like to request
to relinquish
truly language
my duties
my duty
towards Sayadaw,
towards Sayadaw,
towards Sanghas,
towards Sangha,
in order that
and for that
I may practice
and my practice
Samatha Vipassana meditation
Samatha Vipassana meditation
diligently.
diligently.
Sadhu. Kena